I don't want to use up all my phone's battery, but that's the sound Saturday afternoon in St. Paul, West Side, from my apartment. That train's going to keep going for a while. It'll sound better, it'll sound worse. Then it'll die down. That's the second train in the last hour. It's a different track than the last, and it actually sounds better than the last one. Then after that, there's going to be some sirens. And then the sirens will stop, and more than likely there will then be high-pitched beeps from some large vehicle backing up, and then there will be more sirens, and then there will be more trains. The sound is neurologically dysregulating. It is irritating. It hurts the ears. It hurts the body for those of us who are at all aware of our sensitivities as biological human beings. And it, due to that, and as a factor among other factors here, primary among them is that generally none of the buildings which are not residential have operable windows, which means that the people who spend much time indoors working and what have you are suffering from oxygen depletion, brain damage, which causes people's intellects to suffer, and then no one is able to get anything done. St. Paul, Minnesota, 2026.